I'm gonna tell you something that's gonna sound like bad news, but then once you see it, it's gonna look really good. The wires got untaped from my Firelight BG12LX. But the good news is this. I just use these wires and I can wire up my horn that I made. And so, let's go ahead and do a test pull. I'm just gonna take that. Alright, let's go. And 3, oh, by the way, guys, never do this unless of an actual fire and unless it's your own fire alarm. But 3, 2, 1. Push in, pull down. Okay. Bye, guys.